Up until about 2 decades ago, while there were a lot of people living under one roof as a joint family, our grannies used this cool trick to make breakfast ready for everyone in one shot. Instead of repeatedly steaming idli batter in molds and in plates, they would steam all of the idli batter at once inside a steamer lined with banana leaves. This type of idli is called Rononu in Konkani. To make everyday breakfast more interesting, to make the boring idlis taste different, they came up with many variations, many types of rononu. They would add smashed ginger and green chilies to the idli batter. They would add ground horse gram to the batter. They would use red rice rava instead of white rice rava. They would use different types of grains and pulses like green gram, split yellow dal, etc. The texture and taste of idli steamed inside banana leaves is on a whole different level. To make rononu, first pick nice whole banana leaves. Fresh banana leaves are very brittle, so they're passed over a flame so that they are softened. If you try to line a steamer with fresh banana leaves, they might tear up. It becomes easier to line the steamer with softened banana leaves. The banana leaves are lined inside the steamer such that there are no gaps for the batter to seep through. If you can't find big banana leaves, then you can use 2-3 leaves and line them up such that there are no gaps. An idli batter is made with urad dal and rice rava in the ratio 1:2. First soak urad dal for a minimum of 30 minutes. Urad dal is then ground into a thick, very smooth, fluffy batter. Usually white rice rava is used here. Mom has used red rice rava made at home. So this idli in Konkani is called ukdutanla rononu. Rice rava is mixed in with the urad dal batter and the batter is allowed to ferment overnight. Salt is added for taste. Also, a relatively thick batter is made so that it doesn't seep through the leaves. The fermented batter is poured into the steamer lined with banana leaves and is steamed for 30 to 45 minutes depending on the amount of batter that has been poured into it. Make sure the steamer has enough water to steam for 30 to 45 minutes. You wouldn't be able to add more water if required later. Mom often tells me how her granny, my great-grandmother, prepared the batter in the afternoon and steamed them before going to bed at night. The batter would have then fermented for about 8 to 9 hours during the day and she would have idlis ready for them as soon as they woke up. Even while there are not many at home, Mom still follows this on special days where she's got little extra work to do or when there are guests at home. Also, no extra vessels to wash while using the banana leaves. To serve steaming hot idlis, cut them into smaller pieces using a serving spoon. They're usually served with coconut oil on top and with a spicy coconut chutney on the side. These idlis taste great with a spicy pickle, with a sambar or anything that you would like to have it with. Idlis steamed like this also taste great while they are cold after a few hours of steaming. For measurements and for more such recipes, for recipes of other types of rononu, please visit konkanifoodrecipes.com. I'll see you. Bye.